of the colors in this kind of green. I don't know, it's green, like a Tiffany blue. It looks like, well, mint green. And then half is gonna be the other colors, like a blue. But then this time I'm showing another technique. It's really easy too. So I'm gonna do one thin coat of the solid light color first, and I'm gonna key it for 60 seconds. And then after that, we're gonna go in using both of them at the same time. Next, we're gonna use this. I'm excited because I got to try it with you. And next I wanna do, after that, we're gonna using the chamfer foil gels. And today we're gonna do the designs. Each design we are going to do different shapes. So there are 4 different shapes. The number ones that I have it right here is a teardrop. I'm gonna walk every single shapes, and then we are going to do with one metal beads, which is we can either do gold beads, silver beads, or obsidian. So it's good combinations. That way you get an idea of, you know, if you want to combine this shape with what, you know, beads we're gonna do. Okay, so we are going to using both of this and have a piece of papers, so in that way you can always wipe it off on the side. And now with this second layer, you're gonna apply half of the nails. Just make sure you get it even. And then using the other colors on the other side. Half of it. Wipe it off. Wipe all the excess gel polish off to the point you don't have much anything left on the brush. Oh, it's running on the cuticle, but it's okay. I'm gonna clean it up. So you're gonna using it, the brush, give it one stroke from the top, cuticle all the way down. Wipe this off. Give another swipe from the top to the all the way to the free edges. Always clean your brush because you don't want the brush to be contaminating with the other colors. See, you start seeing the look of it already. So now I am gonna pick up some more gel polish. And on the side, wipe it off. And you can repeat it until you're happy with the look. And I think it looks good now. And oh, my twin tip brush in the back there. Sorry. And then if you're happy with this, I'm gonna clean up around this nails, and then I will key it for 60 seconds. If you're happy with this, like ombre like that, you can't, you don't have to blend it anymore. Look at that, how I wipe it up here. Can I get this one right here? Open this. Thank you. Let's try to find what way is that the one. Okay, so let's move on to apply that gel, the chamfer foil. I am going to apply the Premium's Eye Hold chamfer foils. A lot of questions before is why do I using this, because it's gonna give me a quick cure in 30 seconds. right on the center right there. Let me lay it. Wish me luck, everyone. Just kidding. Just like, oh, looks so stunning. It's like a foil. No, it's like a chrome holographic. I'm not worried about because this nails had a lot of like C curve, so it looks like a crease there. I'm not worried about it because it's a clear look. Make sure to give you good pressures. And then release it. Really nice. Ah, looks good. Look at that. Can you see how cool it chamfer completely? I know how you can see it. Maybe in the back of my hand, it's too shiny. Looks good. I'm really in love with this.
Yeah. The truth.